Have you ever imagined getting out of debt, building a financial reserve and finally achieving the freedom you've always dreamed of? If you're tired of living on the edge, unable to save or invest, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share the simple but powerful financial plan that lifted me out of poverty and transformed my life forever. If you're between 20 and 40 years old, want to change your financial reality, and are looking for a practical step-by-step guide to achieving stability and prosperity, stay until the end. I'll show you exactly how to make it happen, even starting from scratch. Many people live trapped in a limiting mindset, believing that they will never have control over their finances. They spend more than they earn, accumulate debts, and don't know where to start to change this situation. The lack of planning makes them feel frustrated, stressed, and powerless, as if they were trapped in a never-ending cycle. But the truth is that anyone can reverse this situation with the right strategies. Financial transformation begins with a change in mindset. It is necessary to adopt a vision of abundance and discipline, understanding that small, consistent actions can generate great results over time. Imagine achieving financial security, having an emergency fund, and even building wealth for the future. This is not only possible, but has already been done by many people who started with no resources, just like you. When I started my journey, I was completely lost. I didn't know where to start and felt like everything was against me. But then I realized something crucial. The first step to changing your financial reality is to master basic control of your finances. Make a detailed budget, writing down all your expenses and identifying where you can save. Use digital tools such as financial control apps to track your progress. This practice will give you clarity on where your money is going and will allow you to make important adjustments to your spending pattern. I will share a real story here. A friend of mine, Joan, started tracking every penny he spent for 3 months. He was shocked to discover that he was wasting more than $500 per month on unnecessary subscriptions and impulse purchases. When he cut these expenses, he was able to redirect the money to an emergency fund. This is the kind of change that seems small, but makes all the difference. After organizing your finances, the next step is to build an emergency fund. Having this financial cushion is essential to deal with unforeseen events such as medical expenses or temporary loss of income. Even if you start with small amounts, prioritize this goal. You can save a fixed amount each month or cut unnecessary expenses to speed up the process. The important thing is to create this security that will give you peace of mind in the future. Another crucial point is to eliminate your debts strategically. Use effective methods, such as the snowball technique, where you pay off the smallest debts first to gain motivation, and then focus on the largest ones. Negotiate interest rates and prioritize the most expensive debts. When you pay off your debts, you will have more room to save and invest, multiplying your financial power. With your debts under control, it is time to start investing. There are affordable options for those who are just starting out, such as Treasury Direct CDBs and investment funds. Research different options and choose the ones that best align with your goals. Remember that the goal here is to make your money work for you, ensuring continuous growth over time. Also, explore ways to diversify your income. Create multiple sources of income, whether through freelancing, online businesses, or monetizing hobbies. This will not only increase your cash flow, but it will also reduce your dependence on a single source of income, providing greater financial stability. It is important to demystify some myths about wealth. Many believe that they need to be born rich or have a lot of money to start investing. In fact, anyone can prosper financially with dedication and knowledge. Don't wait until you have large sums to take action. Start today, even if it is with small amounts. Avoid common mistakes in the financial journey, such as procrastination or being impulsive. Plan each step carefully and stay focused on your goals. This will ensure that you progress consistently and avoid unnecessary setbacks. Financial education also plays a fundamental role. Read books, watch courses, and follow experts on the subject. The more you know, the better your financial decisions will be. Invest in knowledge, as it is the basis for any financial success. To inspire you even more, I want to share real stories. of people who have escaped poverty using similar strategies. Someone who started investing in someone who dresses on a budget has managed to build a significant amount of wealth. Another person created a profitable business from a hobby and now lives comfortably. These examples show that simplicity and consistency are the keys to success. Staying motivated during your financial journey can be challenging, but there are practical techniques to overcome this. Visualize your goals regularly and celebrate small victories along the way. This will help you maintain discipline and keep moving forward, even when faced with difficulties. Free digital tools can be great allies in organizing your finances. Try different apps and platforms until you find the ones that work best for you. They will make it easier to track your progress and ensure that you are always on the right track. In short, the secret to changing your financial life is to plan, eliminate debt, save, invest, and diversify your sources of income. With dedication and patience, you can transform your financial reality and achieve the freedom you have always wanted. Remember, your future starts today and it depends on the choices you make now. If this video helped you understand how to escape poverty and build wealth in a practical and accessible way, please like it and share it with others who also want to improve their relationship with money. Subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance and financial transformation. Remember, with these strategies, you will have total control over your money. Start now.